Alright, we're finishing up the video. They keep on getting stopped. Sensitive screen or something. Anyways, so I'm just tightening up the accelerator pump cover. Remember to keep pressure on it whenever you're installing it so it doesn't pop up when you're lose a spring in there and stuff. So we got all that. Now the next step is putting on this freshly cleaned mixture screw. So it didn't come with a spring or anything, which is fine. No need for a spring. It's like nasty. I think we do okay. We put that on there, and then the washer, and then this brand new O-ring. Take a look at the difference if you can. That's the new one. Let's see if I can see this in there. Shit. Yeah, it won't zoom in, or it won't focus. Yeah, you can't see it. Anyways, just watch out for those little O-rings. If they're not like in good shape, the air will leak past it and it'll run not as good. So when you do this, make sure you don't screw it in really tight. Just as soon as the bottom's out, you're done. And that's where you start counting back. So if it's like 2 1/4 turns out, which most 4-strokes are, you start with that. So that's half, 1, 1 1/2, 2, 2 1/4. So we'll start with that. We can tweak it a little here and there real easily while it's on the bike if it doesn't seem like it's running great. So we got this guy. And give that a nice clean. Sometimes they come with new needles, sometimes they don't. This kit, like I said, just came with the O-ring, the float bowl, and the float bowl needle, float bowl gasket, and the float bowl needle, and the O-ring for the mixture screw. OEM stuff is always nice, so if it's not really haggard up, just use the OEM stuff. So when you put this in there, make sure you're not stabbing the other side or the inside. Make sure you line it up with that one right there. It's kind of hard to see because it's really dark in here, sorry. I can see it. The needle jet. And this is a little bit shrunk up. Just kind of makes it slightly difficult, so you got to kind of like train it a little bit, stay in, otherwise it will want to pop out. And then you put your spring in there. Make sure you have that spring, safety feature, in case it hangs up. It'll definitely stay.